Welcome, wine enthusiasts. In today's video, we embark on a journey through the art of crafting homemade wine, a delightful process that not only tickles the taste buds, but also promises a healthy indulgence. The initial part 30-second of our video unfolds with a fast-forwarded introduction, setting the stage for the enchanting experience that awaits. Join us as we dive into the heart of winemaking, exploring the intricate dance of flavors and aromas that make each sip a celebration. As we transition into the second part, we unveil a step-by-step guide, demystifying the process of creating your very own red wine. From selecting the finest grapes to nurturing them through fermentation, every detail is laid bare for you to savor. Don't miss a beat. Watch till the end to relish the full procedure and discover the secrets that transform grapes into a glass of pure delight. So, grab your favorite wine glass, settle in, and let's uncork the magic together. wine, in vineyards kissed by twilight's glow, where sunlit tendrils gently grow. A dance of grape and vernal breeze unfurls the tale of vintage keys beneath the canopy of leaves, where whispers linger as harvest weaves the vines a tapestry of grace, painting the canvas time can't erase. From earth's embrace the nectar springs, a symphony where the grapevine sings, clusters adorned in hues divine, nature's alchemy aged in wine. In crystal goblets stories unfold, a nectarous journey, precious and bold. Bouquets swirl, a fragrant delight, a sip of history, a sip of the night. The cellar echoes tales untold, aged in oak, where secrets hold. Bottled dreams, elixir's trance, a sip, a voyage, a timeless dance. So, let the wine tell its story rare, a liquid poem in the evening air. From grapes to glass, a masterpiece, a sip of life, a sweet release.